Hi, and welcome to this video on how to promote your videos. 1. Use social media platforms to share your video and engage with your audience. 2. Collaborate with other creators and cross-promote each other's content. 3. Use relevant hashtags to make it easier for people to discover your video. 4. Promote your video through email marketing to your subscribers. 5. Embed your video on your website or blog to draw traffic. 6. Optimize your video's title, description, and thumbnail to attract clicks. 7. Utilize paid advertising, such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads, to reach a wider audience. 8. Participate in online communities and forums related to your video's topic. 9. Collaborate with influencers in your industry to tap into their audience. 10. Use YouTube's end screens and annotations to promote your video and other content. That's it for our tips on promoting your video. We hope you found this information helpful and that it will help you get more views and engagement on your videos. Thanks for watching.